Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by changing the name on your Google account because that is the only way to change your classroom display name. Sign in to the exact account used for Classroom, then go straight to Accounts. Google.com, choose Personal Info and tap Name. Once done, enter the new first and last name. Don't hesitate, save the change. Make sure to use your preferred spelling and capitalization. This is the source of truth, so the change must happen here rather than inside the Classroom app. After saving the name, you must allow Google systems to propagate the update. Once saved, refresh Classroom, but understand that it can take minutes up to 24 hours to appear everywhere. If you're on mobile, open your Google account from Device Settings or the Gmail app and make the same edit. The mechanism is identical. Also be aware that managed school accounts often have admin controls if edits are blocked. Contact your administrator, because only they can permit name. Finish by forcing a refresh. Sign out of Classroom, clear your browser cache or force stop the app, then sign back in so the new name pulls through. Once done, check Gmail or Drive to confirm the change. Those reflect your account name and indicate propagation. If the new name still doesn't show, the troubleshooting step is simple: contact your school or domain administrator. Because managed Google Workspace accounts commonly prevent users from changing their display names without admin approval.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.